Qur'an, all of it is Tawhid. From the beginning to the end. Surah Al-Ikhlas is Tawhid. Tawhid, stories of prophets, and ahkam, regulations, rules and regulations. So the person, he learns the Qur'an because he knows there is salvation for him. So he reads, he teaches his children to say the Qul Huwallahu Aḥad, Qul Huwallahu Falaq, Qul Huwallahu Nas 3 times. Morning, 3 times evening. Surah Al-Ikhlas, Qul Huwallahu Aḥad. It's not the, you know, some translations say He's Allah the One. It's not enough. It's not Al-Wahid. In this verse, it's not mentioned Al-Wahid. In this verse, it's mentioned Aḥad. Aḥad fi af'alihi. Aḥad fi asma'ihi. Aḥad fi sifatihi. Aḥad. If you look at tafsir of Aḥad, it's not just the one. The one and only. And no one similar to him in his actions, in his names, in his attributes. He's Aḥad. Even some of the orientalists, they try to attack the Qur'an. They say, oh, it's a mistake. It should be Qul Huwallahu Wahid. So one of the Shafi'i Imams from the 8th, 9th century, he refuted them. And I have the book. And he says in that book, no, Aḥad is more eloquent than Al-Wahid. Why? Because Wahid is countable, but Aḥad is not countable. And Allah is one and only. You can't add to that. Look how he refuted him. He refuted these orientalists. Quran is perfect. You want to attack the Quran from its linguistic point of view, from its Arabic. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the best in speech. Allahu Akbar. وَمَنْ أَحْسَنُ مِنَ اللَّهِ حَدِيثًا وَمَنْ أَحْسَنُ مِنَ اللَّهِ قِيلًا. Allah said that in the Quran. Who is better than Allah in hadith, in speech? Who is better than Allah? No one. This is the perfect. And it's protected. إِنَّا نَحْنُ نَزَّلْنَا الذِّكْرَ وَإِنَّا لَهُ لَحَافِظُونَ. We have revealed the dhikr, this remembrance, and we are going to protect it. We are going to protect it.